The three-row SUV segment is full of great models, but if you're looking for the best option around, the choice might surprise you at first. But that's only until you look at the bigger picture and check out things that actually matter when it comes to ownership experience. Here are 7 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Subaru Ascent is a genius move. Number 7. Ground clearance and off-road potential. While the Ascent isn't marketed as a hardcore off-roader, it definitely is one of the most capable three-row SUVs on the market. 8.7 inches of ground clearance that already sets it apart from crossover pretenders, but the engineering behind this capability is what makes the difference. This isn't just about numbers on a specification sheet. The Ascent's ground clearance works in harmony with carefully calculated approach and departure angles that let you tackle terrain that would scrape the bumpers of most competitors. Whether you're navigating a steep driveway, heading down a rough dirt road to your favorite camping spot, or dealing with deep snow in your neighborhood, the 2026 Ascent is going to handle situations that leave other family SUVs stuck. The legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides the foundation for this capability, but the 2026 model is going to enhance these off-road credentials even further. The suspension geometry has been designed to work with the substantial ground clearance, maintaining stability and control even when the pavement disappears. Unlike competitors that just look rugged with plastic cladding, the Ascent delivers genuine capability that families actually use during weekend adventures and daily life challenges. Number 6. Impeccable cabin layout. Most three-row SUVs focus exclusively on passenger comfort, treating the driver like an afterthought. The Ascent has changed this approach completely by delivering excellent ergonomics for the driver, while maintaining outstanding passenger comfort and practicality across all 3 rows. The driver's workspace is perfectly organized, with controls positioned exactly where they need to be for intuitive operation. The seating position provides excellent visibility while reducing fatigue during long drives. This isn't about cramming in fancy features, it's about creating a space where the driver feels confident and comfortable, whether they're navigating city traffic or heading out on a cross-country family road trip. Passenger comfort receives equal attention across all 3 rows. The first 2 rows provide generous space for adults, with supportive seats designed for long-distance travel. Even the 3rd row, while still best suited for children, offers more thoughtful design than most competitors. Throughout the cabin, storage solutions are going to be both abundant and intelligent. Those famous 19 cup holders represent just the beginning of the Ascent's practical approach. Door pockets, console storage, and organizational features are positioned where families actually need them, making daily life easier rather than just looking impressive in photos. Number 5. Massive glass surfaces. While competitors are sacrificing visibility for dramatic styling, the 2026 Ascent prioritizes what actually matters: your ability to see clearly in all directions. This design philosophy creates massive glass surfaces that provide exceptional outward visibility, making the Ascent feel confident and secure to drive despite its substantial size. The benefits extend far beyond just convenience. Large windows reduce blind spots significantly, making lane changes and parking maneuvers far less stressful. When you're navigating busy school pickup lines or tight parking lots, being able to see your surroundings clearly transforms the driving experience. The Ascent's glass surfaces create an airy, open cabin atmosphere that makes long drives more pleasant for everyone. This approach requires engineering courage that most manufacturers lack. It would be easier to follow trends toward tiny windows and thick pillars, but Subaru understands that families need practical visibility more than dramatic styling. The result is a vehicle that feels less claustrophobic and more connected to the road, reducing driver stress and increasing confidence in all driving situations. Number 4. Smooth yet engaging ride. The foundation starts with the Boxer engine's low center of gravity. By positioning the engine low in the chassis, the Ascent maintains stability and composure that larger SUVs typically sacrifice. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system adds another layer of confident handling, keeping the vehicle planted and predictable in all conditions. This isn't about sporty pretensions. It's about creating a driving experience that reduces stress and fatigue. The suspension tuning strikes that difficult balance between comfort and control. Road imperfections are absorbed smoothly, making long family trips more pleasant for passengers, but when the road gets twisty or conditions become challenging, the Ascent maintains the composure and stability that let you drive with confidence. Body roll is controlled without creating a harsh ride, proving that families don't have to choose between comfort and capability. This driving character becomes most apparent during long journeys. While other SUVs either beat you up with harsh suspension or float around like boats, the Ascent maintains that connected, confident feeling that makes every drive more enjoyable. Number 3. Best all-wheel drive system around. While competitors rely on electronic tricks and part-time systems, the 2026 Ascent is going to continue with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, a system based on pure mechanical physics rather than computer wizardry. It's a fundamentally different approach to traction and stability that transforms how the vehicle behaves in challenging conditions. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system sends power to all four wheels continuously, not just when sensors detect slippage. This means the system is always working, always balancing traction, and always providing the stability and confidence that Subaru has built its reputation on. Unlike reactive systems that wait for problems to occur, Subaru's all-wheel drive prevents problems from happening in the first place. But this isn't just old-school mechanical engineering. The Ascent's all-wheel drive system incorporates modern electronic enhancements that make it even more capable. X-Mode provides selectable terrain management with settings for snow, dirt, deep snow, and mud, optimizing the system for specific conditions. These electronic aids work with the mechanical foundation, not as a replacement for it. The difference becomes most apparent in challenging conditions. While other SUVs struggle to find traction and stability, the Ascent simply grips and goes. Whether you're dealing with snow, rain, loose gravel, or uneven surfaces, the all-wheel drive system provides confidence that transforms how you approach driving. This capability isn't theoretical. It's proven through decades of real-world use that has made Subaru the choice for drivers who encounter challenging conditions regularly. Number 2. Loads of standard and available equipment. The 2026 Ascent is going to arrive loaded with standard features that competitors charge extra for, representing exceptional value in a segment where manufacturers often nickel and dime buyers with option packages. Even base models are going to include premium amenities that make daily life easier and more enjoyable. Standard equipment is going to include an impressive 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration without the hassle of cables. A Wi-Fi hotspot keeps everyone connected during long trips, while multiple USB ports in all three rows ensure that devices stay charged. The standard audio system provides quality sound, though upper trims are going to feature an impressive 14-speaker Harman Kardon system. Safety technology is going to be comprehensive across the entire lineup. Subaru's EyeSight suite includes forward and reverse automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring as standard equipment. This means you don't have to buy your way into safety. Essential protection comes standard regardless of which trim level you choose. Comfort features are going to be equally generous. Heated front seats, power adjustable driver's seat, and tri-zone automatic climate control are going to be standard, ensuring that everyone stays comfortable regardless of outside conditions. The power liftgate with height memory makes loading cargo easier, while proximity keyless entry adds convenience to daily use. Available upgrades are going to enhance the experience even further. Options like ventilated front seats, Napa leather upholstery, panoramic moonroof, and surround view camera system allow buyers to customize their Ascent without forcing unnecessary features on those who don't want them. Number 1. Excellent investment. From a long-term ownership perspective, the 2026 Ascent is going to represent one of the best investments in the three-row SUV segment. This value comes from multiple factors that compound over time, making the Ascent more attractive the longer you own it. Reliability is the foundation of this value proposition. This isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about consistent, dependable performance year after year. Subaru's Boxer engines and all-wheel drive systems have proven themselves over decades of real-world use, building a reputation for durability that competitors struggle to match. Resale value is going to remain strong due to Subaru's brand reputation and the Ascent's appeal in both new and used markets. After 5 years, the Ascent typically retains over 50% of its original value, which is impressive in a segment where depreciation can be brutal. This strong resale value reflects both the brand's reputation and the vehicle's continued appeal to buyers who value capability over flash. The real value shows up in long-term ownership costs. Subaru's reputation for reliability means fewer unexpected repairs, lower maintenance costs, and less downtime. The brand inspires strong loyalty because owners learn to trust their vehicles completely. When you can count on your SUV to start every morning and handle whatever conditions you encounter, transportation becomes one less thing to worry about. This reliability extends to resale appeal. Used car buyers actively seek out Subarus because they understand the brand's reputation for dependability. The 2026 Ascent is going to continue this tradition, ensuring that your investment maintains its value while providing years of reliable family transportation. In a world where vehicles are becoming increasingly complex and expensive to maintain, the Ascent's straightforward reliability represents genuine peace of mind. But rivals are shaping up for the next year as well. Check out this video about the reasons why everyone should fear the 2026 Kia Telluride, which you can now see on the screen. Kia's flagship is coming with massive updates for the next year, with ambitions to become an absolute class leader.